Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, as you can tell, I look a little different. Got black nail polish, a fake nose ring. I've got my silver hoop earrings. I just got a lot of accessories in general. That's because, if you guys couldn't tell from the title of this video, I am going to be dressing like Maeve Wiley for a day. If you guys don't know Maeve Wiley, she is a character on the show Sex Education on Netflix. If you guys haven't watched it, by the way, you guys definitely should. It is so good. It's literally my favorite show at the moment. I got very inspired by the show and the character Maeve Wiley herself. She's an icon. I love her so much. I don't know. I thought it would be fun to dress up like her for a day. I came up with 3 different outfit looks and a makeup look inspired by Maeve, obviously. I literally dyed my hair pink with semi-permanent dye. You guys will see that throughout this video. You guys will also see some behind the scenes footage because me and my friend Amanda, we both did a little photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoy it. Get on with this video. Okay. Okay, so first things first, you gotta prime your face. So I'm using this primer. Oh my god, I feel like such a beauty guru. Okay, so I didn't show you guys the foundation process because it's foundation. Yay! Okay, now I'm using this Smashbox eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna start off with this pink color as like a little base on my eyelid, I guess. Also, here's a clip of me finding out how much residue was left on my eyeshadow brush. Yeah, wash your brushes, kids, because that's gross. Okay, now I'm gonna use this darker shade of purple. I'm gonna like blend it from the middle to like my outer corner of my eye, if that makes any sense. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with this black shade and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner of my eye and I'm just gonna blend everything together. Okay, so now it's time for eyeliner. So as you guys know, Maeve is known for her intense eyeliner and her dark eyeshadow. So I'm gonna try to make the line as thick as possible. Even though in this clip I realized that I didn't make it that thick, but trust me, on the day of the photo shoot, it was pretty thick. But yeah, I have small eyes, okay? It's a struggle. And here comes my least favorite part, doing my eyebrows. I am literally the worst at doing my eyebrows, and Maeve has really thick eyebrows, so I tried to copy that look. You know, if it doesn't look like that, please don't get mad at me. Your girl tried her best, okay? So just bear with me. I'm singing this song, I see I was wrong to chain you down. Okay, now for my favorite part, putting on fake lashes. And I know Maeve doesn't wear falsies, but as you can tell, your girl has monolids, so these falsies are really gonna help my eyes pop more and appear bigger. Okay, so now that I have my lashes on, as you can see, it made a huge difference. I'm gonna go back with that black eyeshadow that I used before and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. Okay, and then we're gonna finish off with some bronzer, contour, or whatever, blush, highlighter. You guys all know the drill, just to finish up the whole look. So yeah. Have you contaminated this kind of hell? What are you really trying to do? Is this all just about you, baby? And that's pretty much the whole makeup look. So yeah. Hey guys, so I was not originally gonna film this process, but I'm painting my nails for like the first time in like 8 years because tomorrow I'm having a little photo shoot with my friend Amanda. I have my outfits planned and I'm currently painting my nails black because in the show she has like dark nail polish, so that's what I'm doing. I have my black nail polish that I bought for $6 from Shoppers Drug Mart, and I also bought pink hair dye. I feel like I'm going way too hard on this, but you know, in the first season she has pink hair. So cute, and I've always wanted pink hair ever since I was little. I've always wanted pink hair. It's only gonna last like 1 or 2 shampoo washes or something like that, so it won't be too bad, and I'm only gonna do like the ends. But this is what I'm using. L'Oreal Colorista in soft pink. Hopefully this turns out the way I want it to turn out. I mean, I heard good reviews on it, so scared. I mean, people probably do this like all the time and they're just like, eh, it's whatever. This is the hair. My hair looks very frizzy. Sorry, I literally just woke up. It looks so cute on camera. As long as it shows up on camera, that's all that matters. So this is the look. Oh my god, yo. Do I look like Maeve? I feel like my eyes are so dark. Oh my god. Guys, it is freaking snowing. Thick snow. But yeah, I have all my outfits set on this rack here, and the first outfit is gonna be this white shirt with my black shorts and my fishnet tights. Guys, look who's back! Yeah. Singing this song, I see I was wrong to chain you down. Next look is with the flannel. I don't know what to play though. She's artsy or whatever. I am Maeve Wiley. Nah, giving me more of this. She's changed to a low pony. She's calling me back. I'm Maeve Wiley. Okay.
Oh my god, that flannel! No. She always wears it like that. Have you noticed?
Oh my god, okay, so it's finally the end of the day. As you can tell, it's dark outside. You guys can see me. I literally put on my sweatpants and my comfy sweatshirt. I am so tired. We shot 3 different outfits and they were all shot in my room. That just shows that, you know, you can take pictures anywhere, even in your own room. Even just seeing the raw images, like, I'm so excited to post them. They look so good. Those are pretty much all the photos. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Amanda on her Instagram as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look like a mess. I'm probably gonna relax for the rest of the night because I am so tired. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye.